Hello, welcome to the episode today on the Explosion our Tekkit platform. Looks pretty nice actually. Just had a few nukes. That's all it took. These things are really high on EMC. 12 grand for 710,000 on an MK3 collector. You've got to be rich to have one of those. Zombie thinks he's gonna survive. But you out your misery, mate. Yeah, so then we move across. I think I remember the way. Yeah, this is where I set up my camp over here to my friend Aransuper's house, which I totally blew up. And what a cheat. You can see that there's so many ores here, which proved he cheated and he didn't mind. And he had full dark matter armor somehow, and apparently he kept it all in his alchemy bag. But I found this with the spawner there. Everything, look, there's still a spawner there. There's a spawner here. Everything in the chests. So much Nikolite. Could probably find some diamonds. Yeah, I tried to set off another nuke, but somehow. Yeah, so just to prove it. Oh, lag spike. Lag. Naughty. Alright, so let's go into this. Nothing. Oh, and that's what I thought. They did not take. What are my controls? Wow. Hang on. If you want to see my controls. Yeah, that's right. Boss controls. Look at that. Pretty good. Oh, list players. Oh, the tab doesn't work. Oh. Yeah, so pretty bad damage right there. Had a war against him, I beat him. So he's pretty crap. Alright, so if you like this explosion and if you're a fan, then subscribe. But if you're gay as fuck, don't subscribe and don't even like it. Just leave the comments and something's gonna happen, isn't it? Okay? So